How to meditate. Excerpt from the Christ Letters, Letter 8.3. When you meditate, take up the position which is most comfortable for you. You do not have to go into physical contortions. Rest and relax. Tell yourself to relax and release all your limbs, including your head, neck, face, into a state of utter limpness. I must impress on you that meditation should be eventually as simple as slipping into slumber. The purpose of meditation is to enable your entire consciousness to move beyond the boundaries of intellect and reason. There are teachers who will tell you to imagine whatever you are told to imagine. You can rest assured you are not being assisted to go anywhere except into new imaginative realms of your own thought processes. What this method of meditating will achieve for you will be a relief from the thoughts and stress that your ego pressures are creating for you. In the world of imagination, the ego may or may not be dormant. Before commencing meditation, prepare by fully realizing you are about to make contact with divine consciousness, both within and transcendent to your consciousness. Therefore, it is also out there and around you. Visualize exactly what this means. Remember at all times that what you think about is what you are tuning into. Your thoughts are searchlights making contact with what you seek. Remember that every thought has its own frequency of vibrations in consciousness. Believe, know this, for this is true. The more spiritual the thought, the higher the frequencies of vibration. Consciousness forms embodied by words are not visible, but are specific entities of being. They have the life of consciousness within them. They are magnetized to like consciousness forms. Like is drawn to like. Think dog and visualize what you mean. And your thoughts are attuned to the dog species. Think universal consciousness or divine life with understanding of what you mean, and your thoughts will be directed into universal consciousness, divine life. If you have fully understood all that I am trying to tell you, you will know that your meditation reaches its target. We will now enter a 5-minute silent meditation, putting into practice all that we have just learned. So remember, take up the position which is the most comfortable for you. Rest and relax. Release all your limbs into a state of utter limpness and fully realize that you are about to make contact with divine consciousness, both within and transcendent to your consciousness. Visualize exactly what this means. During the 5-minute meditation, I will sound a very soft gong sound after each minute, just to help bring our wandering minds back to the focus, divine consciousness within the silence. At the end of the meditation, there will be 2 soft gong sounds to indicate the end. We now begin our 5-minute silent meditation.